iPhone SE 4 may come with two rear cameras much like the iPhone 7 Plus. This information comes from tech insider Sonny Dixon, who posted an image of the device's body design on his X account, previously known as Twitter. The design image is reportedly from the Chinese social media platform Weibo. The image doesn't reveal the phone itself but shows a flat back panel and a cutout for the sound switch. The image suggests a larger cutout for the rear camera, and according to leaks, it could mean the addition of a second camera. Something new for the SE series, as previous models only had one. However, it's important to note that while this case design hints at two cameras, there's no confirmed leak yet. Based on Apple's recent designs, if they were to go with two lenses, the layout would likely be vertical, aligning with their spatial video recording features for the Vision Pro. So this detail should be considered a grain of salt. We also saw a video clip featuring a transparent back case for the iPhone SE 4, which had a camera cutout of similar size. However, the video clearly indicated that this cutout was for the flashlight and not for an additional camera. Do you think Apple will include two camera lenses in the iPhone SE 4? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to be similar in size to the iPhone 14. So, one clear change will likely be a price increase. The iPhone SE 3 started at $429 in 2022, and with the iPhone 14 priced at $599, Apple may position the SE 4 somewhere in between, creating a potential pricing challenge. iPhone SE 4, despite being marketed as a budget device, is expected to come with 8 gigs of RAM, which would enable it to support Apple Intelligence, a feature missing from the iPhone 14, which only has 6 gigs of RAM. Additionally, rumors suggest that the iPhone SE 4 could be powered by the A18 chipset, a significant upgrade over the A15 Bionic used in the iPhone 14. It's also likely to sport a 6.1-inch OLED display instead of an LCD panel and a larger battery, positioning it as a strong contender in the budget segment if Apple prices it around $500. As the expected release date in March 2025 approaches, we will likely see more leaks and details about the iPhone SE 4 pricing and features. With more information coming in the future, we'll have a clearer picture of what to expect from this highly anticipated device. If Apple does introduce the iPhone SE 4 with modern upgrades, it could mark the end of Touch ID, a feature first introduced in 2013 with the iPhone 5S. For now, Apple continues to sell the iPhone SE 3, which is expected to remain on the market until 2025, possibly due to lower than expected sales of their cheaper models. I think Touch ID is one of the biggest reasons why people prefer to buy the SE series, because it offers a practical and secure way to unlock the device, especially for those who prefer a physical fingerprint sensor over a Face ID. The absence of this feature would likely disappoint a significant number of users who favor it for its simplicity and convenience. What's your take on this? What feature would you like Apple to keep from its predecessor in the fourth generation of the iPhone SE? Feel free to share in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.